The MSK-1, short for Multi-Scenario Knife 1, is a versatile tool designed for various situations. It's a knife that's popular among survivalists, especially because it was created by David Pinsky, a well-known expert and former Marine. The knife has a 170mm long blade and features removable handles that hide a set of tools for fishing, building fires, collecting water, and repairing equipment. It also comes with a branded sheath and a ferro rod striker for starting fires. The MSK-1 is priced at $179. Now that we have a fire starter, let's check out the Fire Strip Roll. It's water-resistant tinder that helps you start a fire in any conditions. It comes in a compact 8.4 cm diameter puck-like box, and the waxed fiber paper stretches out to 15 meters, giving you plenty for many hikes. The box weighs only 110 grams, making it easy to carry several in your clothes and backpack pockets. The Fire Strip Roll is priced at $17. Forget about knives and tinder. How about a survivalist pocket drill? This interesting tool can be used for various tasks like assembling a ladder or hut and making tent pegs. It has a pass-through handle so you can find a stick and thread it through for use. The drill comes with a leather sheath and a 90-page digital guide to wilderness survival. All of this is available for just $38. The Zakous rope canister is a clever and cool survival accessory. It looks like a Scotch tape dispenser shaped like a can and is priced at $20. It comes with 37 meters of rope. The sturdy can fits in a cup holder and the rope can hold up to 500 kilograms. The Path 22. Compass helps you find the right direction and products. It's small, about the size of a coin, and has interchangeable modules. You can choose between air-filled and liquid-filled versions, both with a bright dial. It also has a lanyard hole, so you can use it as a keychain. Available in titanium or brass, it costs $433. Both versions are durable and can stay underwater for up to 30 minutes. The titanium compass is lighter, weighing 12 grams, while the brass one weighs 22 grams. Pharmacol has had great success in water purification, and even the US Army uses their solutions. One of their products is the Aqua Pure system. It purifies water using electrolysis, removing over 99% of bacteria and viruses. With a full charge, it can purify more than 150 liters of water. Test strips are included to ensure water quality, and you can recharge the battery with the built-in solar panel. The system is priced at $100. Did your jacket get snagged on thorny bushes? No worries if you have a aZengear set of 11 patches in your backpack. These self-adhesive, waterproof patches are perfect for raincoats, umbrellas, and even down jackets. The largest patch measures 5 centimeters. If your down jacket gets damaged, just push back the filling, stick on the patch, and press. No sewing or ironing needed. Your hike is saved. The kit costs $12. Deciding if Glowmine's glow sticks belong in your survival backpack is up to you. Here's what we can tell you. They glow for 12 hours, twice as long as other brands, and can be seen from 1.6 kilometers away. These glow sticks are non-toxic, leak-proof, and water-resistant. A set of 12 with green light costs $14. Introducing Tempest, an easy-to-set-up shelter with advanced features. The main poles snap into place with just one motion. Stay cool and comfortable with the Cool Guy's adaptive ventilation system, which regulates airflow and quickly lowers the temperature inside. Worried about rain? The multi-layer Aquatex fabric will keep you dry for over 25,000 hours. The Tempest RS Broy version weighs 10.4 kilos and costs $611. Now that you have a shelter, let's talk about sleeping arrangements with the SB9 sleeping bags. These bags are unique because they have built-in heating, making them suitable for use all year round. Each bag comes with 2 heaters, and you can buy 2 more if needed. Even though they can be used in any season, the SB9 is a quarter more compact than similar products, weighing just 3.8 kilos. They have zippers that go all around and magnetic buttons for extra convenience. Each kit also includes a pillow and a carrying bag. The price for everything is $114.